Now, nearly 3 days after the verdict from the people of Maharashtra in favor of Mahayuti, and we still don't know who's going to be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Importantly, today you had Eknath Shinde stepping down as the Chief Minister. But even in that moment, there was a message of unity by Mahayuti, as Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar also accompanied Eknath Shinde as he resigned. He remains the caretaker Chief Minister for now. But even now, questions loom on whether it will be Eknath Shinde or Devendra Fadnavis, with Ajit Pawar effectively out of the race. At this point, with the kind of messaging that's coming across, the statements from Shiv Sena, who yesterday were batting aggressively for Eknath Shinde to be named again as the Chief Minister, today there seems to be a climb down, as they're saying that whatever decision the BJP High Command takes, they will abide by.
कौन बनेगा महाराष्ट्र चीफ मिनिस्टर? The question remains unanswered even 2 days after the Mahayuti won a landslide victory in the assembly polls. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, however, appears to be pulling ahead of current Chief Minister Eknath Shinde in the race. After Shiv Sena workers and beneficiaries of welfare schemes like Larki Behin flocked to the Chief Minister's official residence Varsha to show their support, Shinde has urged them to stop the gatherings. Shiv Sena leader Deepak Kesarkar also clarified that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah will take the final call on Chief Minister.
एक मत से सब होगा और एक मत से सरकार चलेगी, किसी को भी कोई भी नाराजी नहीं रहेगी, जो भी पक्ष सृष्टि निर्णय लेंगे। शिंदे साहब ने क्लियर कट बोला है कि जो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब, अमित शाह साहब जो भी कहेंगे उनको वो मान्य रहेगा।
NDA ally and Republican Party of India Chief Ramdas Athavale has suggested Shinde should join the Modi government at the centre.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे तो एकनाथ शिंदे जी को केंद्र में मंत्री बनना चाहिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी मंत्रिमंडल में एकनाथ शिंदे जी को लाना चाहिए।
State BJP leaders and NCP have rallied behind Devendra Fadnavis.
याबद्दल दुमत नाही की राज्यात आज अत्यंत प्रभावशाली नेतृत्व हे देवेंद्रजींच्या रूपातनं या राज्याला प्राप्त झालेलं आहे। भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या तमाम कार्यकर्त्यांची, पदाधिकाऱ्यांची हीच इच्छा आहे की देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी हे या राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून या राज्याचं नेतृत्व त्यांनी करावं.
Amid the suspense, Shinde handed over his resignation to the governor. He will continue as the caretaker chief minister till the Mahayuti names the new chief minister. Bureau Report, India Today.
So right now, the choice is between, of course, Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. But here's why there's a possibility of Devendra Fadnavis being picked right now by Mahayuti and by the High Command. Here's why Devendra Fadnavis has the edge. First, he's got full backing from the RSS, with some leaders now coming out and saying that, look, Fadnavis deserves to be made the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Even allies, we're talking about Ajit Pawar, who is also in contention for the CM throne, making it clear that he wants Devendra Fadnavis to be the Chief Minister because BJP has got the numbers on their side. Ramdas Athavale, who's also part of the Mahayuti, has not just endorsed Fadnavis, he suggested that Eknath Shinde should in fact be brought to Delhi and be a part of the Union Cabinet. Now also there's the fact that there are numbers in favour of the BJP, a record BJP performance in Maharashtra under Fadnavis. So for the BJP itself, they will want to ensure that a message is sent across that they're rewarding Fadnavis for their performance. They're also, of course, backed by BJP's organizational strength in Maharashtra. So besides the numbers, the fact that BJP is the single largest party in Maharashtra, has the largest chunk, of course, in the Mahayuti itself, right now, it's definitely in favour of Devendra Fadnavis. Sources tell us that if the BJP has its say, if finally all Mahayuti allies come on board, in all likelihood, it will be Devendra Fadnavis. Now, amid questions of how long it's really going to take for an announcement to be made on who will be the Maharashtra Chief Minister, sources telling us here on India Today that BJP will soon decide the names of observers for Maharashtra. This is, of course, the process that we see playing out every single time. The observers' names will be announced in the next 1 to 2 days. and then you will see discussions within the allies. First, of course, the observers will pick who the legislative party leader is for the BJP. But besides that, also there is going to be a discussion before the meeting of the BJP legislature party, where officially the leader is announced. The BJP will decide which party will have the chief minister throne. There will be a discussion with the allies. The only reason that there's still a possibility that Eknath Shinde will be picked and without any sort of chaos or rebellion within the Mahayuti is because of the BMC elections. Otherwise, the BJP will be hoping to ensure that the throne goes to someone from their own party. It could take another 24 hours really for any sort of clarity, but I'd like to bring in Piyush Mishra on this broadcast for more details. Piyush, there has been an inadvertent delay, not caused by any differences, but it looks like the process protocol in these situations and circumstances is being followed. But now there will be pressure on the Mahayuti to come out with a decision, because otherwise it's going to lead to a whole lot of speculation that there is some divide over the CM phase.
Well, absolutely, and that is why, Akshita, we are seeing as well there are a series of meetings taking place not only in BJP camp but also in Shiv Sena camp. Remember that sources are telling us Shiv Sena is pushing hard for Eknath Shinde as the next chief minister of Maharashtra, though he has put down his papers because the term of assembly has come to an end and he is going to be caretaker chief minister till the new chief minister is announced. But there's a lot of backing coming in as far as Devendra Fadnavis is concerned from BJP, RSS and various other constituents of Mahayuti, be it about Ramdas Athawale or about NCP's Sharad Pawar. They are coming out in open and supporting Devendra Fadnavis. Now, sources are also telling us that in a day or two, the top leadership of BJP is going to announce the names of observers, and after that, they will be reaching here in Mumbai, and then a meeting of legislative leaders will take place here in Mumbai, and then we will see a name to be formally announced. After that itself, the process of government formation could begin. So there's no doubt that it's going to be another 4 to 5 days. As far as the swearing in is concerned, delay is taking place because BJP leaders and Shiv Sena leaders are holding meetings. Shiv Sena pushing for Eknath Shinde's name. So BJP is still brainstorming as to who should be the name and who should be announced as the chief minister of Maharashtra. Why? Because BJP feels that if this time BJP does not give its own chief minister, then workers would feel bad, because BJP has performed so well that now it has become almost important for BJP to have its chief minister.
But there is a question, Piyush. Yes, the BJP will want to ensure that their party representative becomes the chief minister, which in all likelihood could be Fadnavis. But there is also talk about the BMC elections, and there the fact that Shiv Sena has the clout. So because of that, is there a possibility, Piyush, of the BJP actually giving in and saying, look, let Eknath Shinde come back as the chief minister?
Well, most likely, because BJP does not want any kind of rebellion in Mahayuti, and Eknath Shinde was the face on which the entire Mahayuti has also fought these elections. Not only Ladli Bahin Yojana, but also the consolidation of Maratha voters happened only because the Mahayuti had a Maratha face. I still remember that there was a meeting of top BJP leaders in Delhi where Home Minister Amit Shah made it very clear that Mahayuti is going to fight in the face of Eknath Shinde, and that is what the argument on which the Shinde faction of Shiv Sena is pushing for the name of Eknath Shinde. Now we'll have to see if the BJP workers, especially the MLAs here in BJP of BJP, are going to accept Eknath Shinde again as chief minister. Why? Because despite having their government in the state and being the biggest party, single largest party, they did not have chief minister in the last 2 years. Eknath Shinde was chief minister. Now there's a sentiment among BJP MLAs that it should have their own MLA, own chief minister in the state. But all these are permutations and combinations on which Mahayuti will further work, and then they are going to decide upon who is
there's going to be a decision where the observers, once they are appointed by the BJP, which is expected in the next 24 hours, they're going to meet with their allies to figure out who's going to get the CM throne. And maybe once the party is named, we'll have more clarity of who the face is going to be. Because if they say Shiv Sena, it's clearly going to be Eknath Shinde. But let's draw up a comparison for you on why Eknath Shinde could be chosen versus why Fadnavis could be chosen. The fact that both these leaders delivered for the Mahayuti is, of course, something that adds to their strengths. For Eknath Shinde, of course, the landslide has happened under his leadership as Chief Minister. And everyone knows, of course, everyone was talking about how his popularity has risen a great deal in Maharashtra. For Devendra Fadnavis, of course, he's delivered those monster numbers for the BJP in Vidarbha, in Marathwada, really ensuring an absolute saffron sweep in Maharashtra and a record historic performance for the BJP. There is also the fact for Eknath Shinde that this was a big prestige battle for him. There was a fight over Sena versus Sena, who really who will win the legacy battle as far as Balasaheb Thackeray's legacy goes. Eknath Shinde proved his mettle there, decimating the Uddhav Sena, settling the Sena war, and this just 2 years after he rebelled against Uddhav Thackeray. For Devendra Fadnavis, like I said, he's delivered big in Vidarbha and Marathwada.